chapati.
See, puja பண்ணிக்கோங்க. See, தண்ணி நிறைய போட்டு கூடாது. Mix பண்ணு.
Should put it?
No, keep lead. Then yesterday only I teach you.
No, Granny, I put only kunchi water, Granny, but that's all.
When I will come.
Now we're gonna make the chapati. So here's the dough batter, and you already dip it in the raw batter. So now we're gonna make it. Ooh, make it nicely, Vidu. Okay. Swasami. Oh, no, done.
Let's roll.
As in the pongal is also over there. It's also cooking. The pongal is also cooking over there. And as you can see, we're making chapati on one side. So
If
now
you want,
chapati.
like this.
Okay.
You do keep here. Here. I will show you first. I will show.
Okay, now she's doing. We have made chapati number 1. She's chapati number 2. See, we have finished 2 so far. So we only have 1 more left to do.
Both of them. This also heat. Yes, we keep here. We keep chapati. It become white.
Okay.
White chapati. Very good. Wait. Keep the window. No, not very thin. You want to put that? Not now. Also boiling. See, Pongal is cooked now. It become boiled. Pongal is boiling. See. Okay. Now cook. Pongal is little more. Wait. Ready? ఇది తోచరు ఇదే అది అమ్మా ఇది this one you told me this is good. This one. Pongal is boiling. Pongal is falling again. Yeah. Touch like it. No, not like that. I will teach you. Wait. Ready to you. Touch. Properly touch. అది ఇరుకోటో ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಪರಮ ಪಂದ್ರೆ yes. Now you use a tissue. You just hold it. Here. Come put do. Bella photo.
No put it.
Photo. Bella nariya put.
No put it, Granny.
Ile Pongal ke nariya bella.
Honey, I full put it.
Photo boli.
Oh, no, Granny.
Photo. Pongal. Mix. Very nice. Pongal. Keep like that. See like that. No problem. Put little oil bottle in it. Oil bottle in it. Bottle oil. And get the I see shoot. Keep slow. Pongal is finishing. Slow. Nala, cookie deka. Pongal is finished. You see, put little oil. Put it,
No, Granny, it was coming, Granny. It won't go this way, Granny.
Finish. Kukura wo chapati ai che swami ke viche puri. Swami ke ngai na ma ke.
It'll
over. Shoot pan. Chapati ko chuba. Ini muri ko tiwi.
Granny, acha Granny. Off it.
Very nice. Don't touch. Adi mera ko jana photo. Photo. Very well. That time you keep slow. Now stick. Chapati acha. One first time only.
Granny, put no, Granny. Other. Granny, put everything, Granny. Put everything.
Pinaina ko pura swami puja panna.
Pongal is finished. Chapati is all getting done. The perfect chapati.
First time only na it become like this. Hey, not touch. Good. Adi swami bichari. Ini dah. Makan ba? Lagi itu kucing. Bas. Ini panah. Almost. Chapati is done. So well. Ini apa tu? Nala wani.
So come on to go.
Chapati swami. Ya swami tu. Gogi lah. Ada foto kipu.
Granny, இது போடுங்க Granny.
முந்தி போட்டு chapati, yeah.
Oh, why then?
Ini kita nama dia dah buat chapati.
Okay then.
Yes, how is coming?
Okay, look at the chapati.
Very good.
Apple bulgan. This is our pongal and chapati. Pongal and chapati.